Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and here's another very useful tip for you all. In this video I'll be showing you how to block telephone calls from unknown numbers. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just simply open up the dialer, then select this option up here in the top left hand corner. Then select settings, and then go to where it says blocked numbers and simply turn on this switch. So now it will block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers. Also, you can select this option to add any telephone number that you want to block by simply typing in the telephone number and then select block. Okay, so that's it. That was just my video showing you how to block telephone numbers from unidentified callers. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.